Somebody's got their turn signal. Yep, they're gonna cause a crash. Oh, yep, they hit.
Oh no! Oh my God!
Record video. Kidding me? Kidding me? What are you doing?
Honk, babe, honk!
What the f is he doing?
He's sleeping, babe! Stop! He probably fell asleep or something.
What?
He's not paying attention. Stop honking him, you're causing trouble, honey. He probably just didn't think. Right when you know you're gonna hit someone, honey, you have to honk. You get out the
Well, I
way.
wasn't gonna hit him. I was
No, but
in that
still.
space.
Ooh, that light have been.
Oh, when he got the light. Jesus Christ.
Oh my. Quick.
Okay, Presto. Holy.
It's literally green!
What in the fuck?
What did I just witness? What was that?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my God. Why did you break?
It was a police car. Are you going? Oh no. Uh-oh.
God damn, what the f wrong with him? No, hold up. Tripping, bro. What this dude? Where you trying to go? Like, nah, bro, this is a drunk or some shit, bro. Hold up, pull up on here real quick, bro. Hold up, I'm gonna roll my window down on this nigga, bro. Like, where is this go, bro? Pull up on this nigga real quick. Bro, this bro. Fuck is this nigga doing? This nigga black tire and shit. Pull up on this nigga, bro. I got your follow up. Nah,
New house, car, applying for rewards. You can jump like 28 points in your first month. Kickoff is the best way to build credit fast. No credit checks, no
Dumbass.
and no interest. It's simple. Kickoff optimizes.
Doofus.